Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u, we have number 1, so we put about du in here. First, the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This is about the constant. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you got about 0 in here. And we can simplify like this. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have u to the power of 6 over 6, and we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. First, the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First, the derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared ds. So we can see that this is about s squared minus s. This is about 6s minus 6s to the power of 2. To create about this one, we need to divide both sides by negative number 6. So this one you got about negative s. This one you got about positive s squared. And this is similar for this one with the s. So this one we change by u. S squared minus s, ds we change by du over negative number 6. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.